Good morning, student. Welcome back to another video. Here is the question and answer of chapter 2 geography. Okay, inside our earth. In previous video we can complete the all chapter of chapter 2. In this video we will discuss about the question and answer of chapter 2. Okay, inside our earth. The first question is, answer the following question. The first is, what are the three layers of the earth? What are the three layers of the earth? The three layers of the earth are crust, mantle and core. Crust, mantle and core. Second question, what is rock? A rock is a natural mass of mineral matter that makes up earth crust. Rock can be different color, different size and different textures. Rock can be different color, size and texture. Question number third, name three type of rock. As we all know, igneous rock is known as primary rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rocks. These type of rocks are, three type of rocks are igneous rocks, which are also called primary rock, and sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Question number 4 is, how are the extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? How are the extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? We will discuss in this question in previous video. So here is the answer. Okay, when the molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rock formed in this way in the crust are called extrusive igneous rock. Sometime the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Solid rocks so form are actually intrusive igneous rocks. I hope you understand. Extrusive rocks are which molten lava which are cools down in upper layer of the earth, in earth surface, that is called extrusive. And intrusive is when solid molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust, that is known as intrusive igneous rock. The next question is, what do you mean by rock cycle? What do you mean by rock cycle? One type of rock change into another type under certain condition in a cyclic matter. Rock cycle we will discuss in the previous video, and you all are make the rock cycle figure and send them in the group. Okay, I checked everyone. So one type of rock change into another type under certain condition in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. Let's understand it through example. Igneous rock changed into sedimentary rock. When the igneous and sedimentary rock are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. The metamorphic rock, which are still under great heat and pressure, meet down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. That are the rock cycle. We will understand about this example. So completely understand the question number 5. It is very important questions. Okay, and the next question is, what are metamorphic rock? What are the use of rock? Question number 6 is, what are the use of rock? Hard rock are used for making road, house and building. Stone are used in many games such as Seven Stone, Pitu, Hopscotch, Stapo, Kit and Five Stone Gitti. We will discuss in previous video. Okay, discussed in previous video. The next question, what are metamorphic rock? Here is the answer. When the igneous and sedimentary rock are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. For example, clay change into slate and limestone into marble. That are the example of metamorphic rock. Now, question number 2, tick the correct answer. The rock which is made upon the molten magma. The rock which is made upon molten magma is igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. The right answer is igneous. And the next, the innermost layer of the earth is called crust, mantle, core. Definitely it is core. The innermost layer of the earth is core. Next question, gold, petroleum and coal are the example of rock, mineral, fossil. Obviously it's a fossil. Gold, petroleum and coal are the example of fossil. Next, rock which contain fossil are sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, igneous rock. Rock which contain fossil are sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock or igneous rock. And the right answer is sedimentary rock. The right answer is sedimentary rock. The next question, the thinnest layer of earth is crust, mantle, core. Obviously, it's a crust. The thinnest layer of the earth is called crust. Okay. Next question, give reason why we cannot go to the center of the earth. And second, sedimentary rock are formed from sediment. And third, limestone is changed into marble. Here is the fourth and last question. We can go through the center of the earth. We cannot go to center of the earth. Why? Because to reach the center of the earth, one will have to dig a hole 6,000 kilometer deep on the ocean floor. Dig a hole of 6,000 kilometer deep on the ocean floor. This is quite impossible, and therefore we cannot go to the center of the earth. Okay, I hope you understand. Now, sedimentary rock are formed into sediments. Why? Rock breaking down into small fragment known as sediment. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layer of rock known as sedimentary rock. And the last, limestone is changed into marble. Limestone is changed into marble because igneous and sedimentary rock change into metamorphic rock under a great heat and pressure. We will discuss in previous objective question. Okay. So here is the very short answer and question. It is not an exercise question, but here is the insider questions. If you want to understand right, please note down the very short answer question, which is the insider questions. Here is what is called the uppermost layer of the record. It is called the crust. What is the special feature of the layer? It is the thinnest of all the layer. Here is the insider question. Okay. And short answer questions. What are mineral? How they are used for mankind? Long answer questions. If we make mention various type of rock. Okay. Here is. I hope you understand and enjoyed it. If you have any doubt, please message me in the comment box or in the group. Have a nice day. Goodbye.